got a coffee pot. The other coffee pot got messed up. Well, my mother-in-law can't lift up heavy stuff, and the coffee pot was too heavy, so she'd end up, spilling it and stuff. Whatever. Plus the water here, it's got a lot of salt in it, a lot of lime, everything. So, whatever. It's messed up. Couldn't use it. So, my baby called Kavaya, and, well, you can't see it, I guess. Yeah. Looks backwards, I guess. Whatever. If you buy some coffee, they send you a coffee pot. So, I am looking at the new coffee pot. Good Lord. I guess I'll clean that up later. Okay. Okay. And coffee. It's pretty good. You buy 2 boxes of coffee. It's in your coffee pot. Okay. So, there you go. All right. Okay. All right. Look, it's upside down. Not good. Jeez. More bubble wrap. Okay. And nice, pretty, brand new coffee pot. Coffee scoop. And filters to get started. So, um, brand new. This one looks a little different. The last one had buttons over here, and down here. Now these buttons are up here. It's got a clock on it. So, oh, and there's this little thingy on the back. I don't know if you can see that. I got a black shirt. Oh, it's so that it's no grip. You know what? If we'd had something like this one, where it loads up in the top and the back and everything, maybe the last one wouldn't have got messed up. Okay. Okay. Yep. There you go. That's it. It's here. So, bye, baby. See you soon.